Hello everyone, in today's video we will see how to change the sticky header logo in a Nowarch theme. So I am encountering a problem in a Nowarch theme, like logo is not same on the sticky header or the normal header. So in today's video we will see how to change or customize the logo on the sticky header. So go to the dashboard and check the theme options. So we can check the header setting in it. Now we can see the logo is already uploaded. When I see on the website, in the first few seconds it's shown, and when scroll down the logo it is changed. So this is the issue we faced. Now we can explore more options from the theme and check if there is any setting related to this. Also check on the customize option. So there is still no options for sticky header logo. So what we have to do is to add a custom code. For adding custom code, we have to find a class ID of the sticky header logo. For this, click on the logo and inspect it. From the inspect, we can find the class for that. So this is the class logo-wrapper. Now copy this and go to the additional CSS and write this class dot logo wrapper dot logo image, and now paste the logo URL from your media and publish this. Now check it on our website. There is still the same logo. Now again check on the code. So it's my mistake. I didn't add the hyphen between logo and wrapper. So now you can see the logo is uploaded. So that's all for today. And also paste this code in my description box. You can check it. And thank you so much for watching.